Welcome to another video where I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 into your PC. So let's dive in. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to go to Microsoft.com and we have to go to the download Windows 10 option that I will let the link on the description, so don't worry. And you will have to download this installation media from Windows 10. So you press the blue button that will appear on screen and you save it. So once it has been downloaded, you double click it, wait a few seconds, and it will prompt an option. And as you can see, it's preparing the installation, so you have to wait a few seconds. But also I have to remember to you that you will need to have a USB drive, a pen drive, something to put the Windows inside. In my case I have something like this. Okay, so once this screen appears you have to press accept. Fine, once this screen appears you have to select the second option, the create an installation media. You press next, and here you select the options you want. English, Windows 10, 64 bytes. If you have 32 bytes, you choose that. Press next, and here you have to press the flash unit. Press next, and here you have to select your USB. So you press next, and you will have to wait a few minutes to the Windows installation finishes into your pen drive or USB. Okay, the next step is to turn off our PC. Turn on the PC again. We have to press one of these keys and check which one of them will bring you to one screen like this. So when you're on a screen like this, you have to select the name of your USB drive and you will be brought to this installation. So when you do that, you will be receiving an image like this. A setup is starting screen, so you have to wait a few moments till a new Windows appears that will start the installation wizard. So as you can see, here it appears. Then here, you will have to press next. Okay, you want to install Windows 10 Pro, so you press next and it starts copying the Windows files. Then it do a few steps more and you will be getting Windows 10. So I'm going to show you all the procedure so you check that everything is okay. Also, I want to add that if you get a screen like this is because you already have Windows installed, so we have to do a format in your disk. So you press the disk that you want to format, and then under the options you will have the format option. You press it, press accept, then you select the disk and press next, and you can proceed with the installation. Also, if you remove that disk with the remove button, you have to press the new button to create again the disk partition. So that once do that, you press the disk and then you press next and you continue with the installation like this. Okay, so see you in the procedure. And as you can see, the installation has finished and I'm logging in into my account on Windows 10. So it starts with a setup saying hi. We are getting everything ready for you, and this can take at least 3 minutes or less, but it's a setup of the pre-installed programs on Windows, so you have to be patient like you was with the installation at first. The installation took depending on if you have an SSD or a HDD, I mean your hard drive, so don't worry. But this is basically how you can install Windows 10 on your PC, fresh installation. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell and the subscription button, and I will see you in the next Easy Way video. Goodbye.